Node not found? I will set up your complete dev environment from scratch, step by step. First, check if you already have Homebrew. If you see a version not installed, so let us fix that. Paste this curl command into your terminal. Homebrew is downloading and installing. This takes about 2 minutes. Installation successful. Now add Homebrew to your path. Run these 2 commands. The first saves the path permanently. The second activates it now. Let us verify brew version. Homebrew April 4th, 19. Perfect. This is your package manager for everything else. Install NVM with this curl command. It downloads version 0, 40.4, the latest stable release. NVM is downloading and configuring your shell. Source your zshrc to activate NVM in this session. Let us check NVM version 0, 40.4 working. Run NVM else remote with the else flag. Node 24 lapis is the active LTS. That is what we will install. Run NVM install-LTS. It downloads the latest LTS, Node 2.4.1.4.1, compiled for Apple Silicon. Verify both Node and NPM. Notice the path Node is inside the NVM directory, and make sure NPM is working too. Version September 2nd 10 comes bundled with Node. Set Node 24 as your default so every new terminal uses it. For the best editing experience, let us install VS Code. Homebrew handles desktop apps too. It is downloading and installing VS Code to your applications folder. Done. It also creates the code command for your terminal. Now the essential extensions. ESLint catches errors in real time. Prettier formats your code on save. Clean code every time. Now let us configure VS Code for the best experience. Open settings with Command Comma. Let us put it all together. Create a new folder and initialize it with npm init. The -y flag accepts all defaults. This creates your package.sen. Install Express, the most popular Node.js web framework. npm pulls in all dependencies into the Node modules folder. Create index.js with a basic Express server. One root, returns JSON on port 3000. Run the server with node index.js. Curl localhost 3000, you get back JSON with your Node version. Everything works perfectly. Open the project in VS Code, and that is it! Your complete Node.js dev environment is ready. Subscribe for more install guides.